Have you ever wondered how PSG's iconic football jerseys are made? Let's explore the incredible factory process from raw polyester to world-class sportswear.
Powerful spinning machines transform the fibers into durable yarn, producing thousands of cones every single working day. The yarn is dyed first, batch by batch, matched precisely to the club's official white color codes before a single thread is knitted.
High-speed circular knitting machines transform the yarn into breathable, moisture-wicking fabric that forms the jersey body. Before sewing begins, every meter of fabric is carefully inspected for holes, snags, or uneven tension.
Club crests, sponsor logos, and unique artwork are printed onto transfer paper using vibrant sublimation inks. Heat and pressure turn the ink into gas, permanently bonding every color into the fabric fibers.
After cooling, dozens of fabric layers are stacked together, ready to be cut into jersey components.
A computer-guided cutter creates the front, back, sleeves, and collar with perfect accuracy in seconds.
Every panel is sorted by size and style, so each sewing station receives perfectly matched pieces. Skilled operators begin assembling the jersey by joining the shoulder seams with strong, precise stitching. The ribbed collar is attached to provide comfort while keeping its shape through countless washes. Flat lock stitching joins the sides and sleeves, reducing friction for maximum comfort during play.
Sponsor logos and brand emblems are permanently bonded onto the jersey to resist cracking and peeling.
Player names and squad numbers are added using durable lettering designed to last season after season.
Every jersey is carefully inspected to ensure flawless stitching, accurate colors, and perfect print alignment.
A final steam press gives the jersey its crisp, professional finish before packaging. Each jersey is folded to an identical size, ready for labeling and packaging. Labels and authenticity tags are attached, then scanned into inventory for complete product tracking. Every jersey is sealed inside a protective bag to keep it clean and dry during transport.
The finished jerseys are packed into export boxes, destined for clubs, retailers, and supporters worldwide. Pallets leave the warehouse and begin their journey across oceans to football fans around the globe. From a single spool of yarn to the world's biggest stadiums, this is the incredible journey behind every football jersey.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.